Welcome back to another episode of my trading vlog, where basically all the views are returning subscribers, so it's just the cool kids left, I guess. Give yourself a thumbs up, I don't know. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed. Let's take a look at SPY. I was just like doing whatever today. I was doing some recording, so my voice is kind of tired, but it looks like we did set a higher high from last week, which is something that I'm actually kind of expecting currently, which is surprising. I know, yes, I'm still bearish long term, and I think we're just in this wave B. It's exploding, it's coming to the end, it's a wave E in a larger rising diagonal, which is of course very frantic, obviously. And so still looking for 435.71, low volume sell off today, RSI coming just almost up to 70, not quite, actually turning down on the day, because the price closed lower than it did the previous session, obviously. MACD is still heading higher, and the implied volatility actually flexed up while the price dropped, which is something to pay attention to. Sometimes that little flip in correlation in an IV is very clutch, and you can see that IV is very low. So I'm probably expecting a reversal at some point, and this would be a hell of a place to do it. We didn't reach 435.71, but you know, that's okay. I think that's why they call it a bull trap. Anyway, let's go check out AMC next really quickly on the daily time frame. Oh yeah, these drawings, they don't make any sense here, but I was saying if we get below $5 that we were heading down to, like, this isn't the right chart. This is Cappavision. Was I on default? I can't remember. I really can't remember. Was it drawing board? Yes. We had a bear flag through here. I'm gonna open up the hourly chart because it makes a lot of sense on the hourly chart. Yeah, big rising diagonal. Price comes out of it, heads down, bounces at 497, and that gave us wave B of a measured move down, A, B, and C, and it looks like we're in the middle of that. You see what I'm talking about? There's a downtrend right here coming out of there. That's wave A, wave B, and now we've seen the beginning of wave C. The first target was at 435, and it looks like we came down to a low of 438, so hey, 3 pennies? Can I get 3 pennies? Whatever. That's Bulkowski chart pattern analysis. It's cool. At any rate, you know, price is moving sideways right now. I wouldn't expect it to go up. I really wouldn't. RSI is just kind of floating around. I mean, it gets really awkward when the price becomes this stable. We gotta look at APE. We gotta look at APE because also the company is sharing equity here in this infinite wave B of infinity and beyond. It's just like flat, grinding sideways, which is incredible. Still waiting for that thing to drop eventually, but not yet. That's okay. AMC, I think I'm feeling like if we get above that, not 462, it's going to be higher. The bullish reversal is going to have to break out of that flag to the upside above 468. This is the bullish reversal now. And I'll go ahead and just label that really quickly and then we'll move on. So wake me up, bullish reversal here at 468. Thank you. Okay, moving on. GameStop. Well, it's been quite a ride. We had a big earnings flag. It broke out to the downside, and we came very close to that 1751 target. Perhaps I should remeasure that Fibonacci extension level, but that's pretty close. Significant support resistance at 1830 there, coming in clutch, and since then, the price has been climbing higher, recently hitting 2551 and beyond, just a little bit. That should be the top of a motive wave. I want to say that's very possible. We started, yep, there you go. Do you see what I'm doing here? I'm grabbing, these lines are from other things I was looking at, like the divergences in the RSI probably on a different time frame. And it's like, oh, look, there it is. There's the trend line. Anyway, this is like an ending diagonal triangle to me. We've had waves A, B, and C, and now wave C is forming an ending diagonal. Waves 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think this looks more like bearish than otherwise, personally. So probably time to turn around at 2551. Of course, that's an important level based on the earnings flag. So if we get above 2551, though, here's the good part. Oh yeah, 3128's on the table. So that's quite a pop. If you get that upward breakout, you get a significant high and some volume comes in, boom, off to the races we go. Volume is picking up. Okay, volume is picking up. And if you look at the MACD, it looks like it might be flipping bullish just a little bit. Ooh, that could be green for a while. So I'm just saying. It looks like the likelihood of it breaking down and going lower is higher than not. But if the odds are, of course, beaten and the price does rise, it could really go. So that's cool. Nice. Well, that's it. I just wanted to be quick, and this seems like it's already long. So happy trading.